After a very long drive down a very long Forest Service road, finally made it to camp. I think before I do anything, I probably ought to just go ahead and have a beer. Took a lot of work to get down this road. It was pretty rough and very long. Like, I don't know, I'd probably say 4 or 5 miles long. I'm gonna have to look it up, but that was going. Got a little dirty getting back in here, it looks like. Awesome campsite though. Got the tent and rain fly set up. Racing the rain a little bit. One thing left to do is put the rain fly on. And I'm gonna try to work on getting a fire started. Some kind of dinner. It's awesome out here. A little windy. It's supposed to rain, but it's gonna be alright. Walk you guys down here to the water. Got some cool rocks. I just hope the wind don't get strong enough to knock a tree down across the road it took me to get down in here. That will definitely mess up some plans for tomorrow. Finally got a little bit of a decent fire going. Everything's wet. I didn't bring no wood with me, so it's gonna be a struggle having a fire, but we got one going. This is an awesome view. Pretty much panoramic. I got water as far as I can turn my head. It's awesome. Starting to get a little hungry. As soon as I sit down, fire comes right towards me. That's great. Great. Let's try. Let's go over here. Then I ain't got the view I want. Probably just have to keep playing musical chairs all night. Anyway, I think I'm gonna relax. And see you guys here once I start cooking some kind of dinner. I think it's gonna be hamburgers. Might try to make some French fries, or I might just eat hamburgers and chips. Keep it simple. We will see. This is awesome. Mm. Not too bad. Good thick hamburger. Some wavy lays. And the fire that's dying out. I think after I eat, I'm gonna get this campsite lit up and try to get me a real fire going. So glad the rain has held off so far. This would all been miserable in the rain. Just for a brief second, the sunset was right over there between the cloud line and the horizon. It's pretty good. I think the rain's here. Yeah, I can barely hear it sprinkling a little bit. Guess that means I'm going to crawl inside the tent. I'm going to wrap this night up right here. We'll see you guys in the morning. It's time for some breakfast, and then probably just going to cut out of here. Good morning. Get this day started with a Red Bull. Oh yeah. Guess after I get woke up a little bit, cook some breakfast, pack some things up, head on out of here. Till then, we're just gonna take it easy. Can't believe it. It's like December 28th, 54 degrees, I think. It's wild. Anyway, see you guys here in a little bit. So for breakfast, we're just going to go with sausage and biscuits, but the biscuits are going to be brioche buns. It's normally pretty good. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. So good. Guess after I eat, all I got left to do really is take down the tent and tarp, and I'll be ready to roll out of here. Enjoy this view for a little bit longer. Well, folks, that wraps up this adventure. I'm going to get out of here, and we will see you guys in the next one.